Okay, it's a Ranken Roving reporter here. I'm at TriTech Automation talking to Jon Willi, another Ranken alumni. So, John, tell us about your thought process when you were deciding what to do after high school. Why did you decide to go to Ranken?
I actually waited until I was about 28
Oh.
to go to school.
All right.
Just took other paths. One day I woke up, realized I need to get a better education than I have, and just the name Ranken, you can't really do much better, especially around the area. And I know people that have gone. I know people that work for companies that hire 75 to 100% Ranken. So it's kind of a no-brainer where to go. It was just what to do from there.
So you kind of tried out other things and realized this wasn't doing it for me.
I worked in a warehouse for about 10 years, and it was time to move on.
Uh-huh. So once you got to Ranken, what did you like about it?
I like the atmosphere. I like that your instructors either currently or previously work in the field. They don't just give you a textbook and read from the textbook. They're teaching from experience.
Cool.
And they're really cool. They teach you more than just what you're doing, but how to be an employee and work ethic and all that.
What program were you in?
Control system technology.
Great. And so after you graduated, you were saying that you started here pretty much right away, or even before you graduated.
I started a few days after I had the job. Before I graduated, just had to put 2 weeks into my old job. But a kid I went to school with at Ranken started here a few months before we graduated, and he said, "This is the place to go."
Great. So what has you, now that you've been working for a while, what do you feel like your Ranken education did for you that's really helpful for you now?
Really got me a head start. I went to night school because I was working during the day, so it was a lot of touch and go on things, but they definitely point you in the right direction. Even if it's something that we didn't spend a lot of time on it in night school, I can recognize it and bring things up and still have my books in case I need to use those.
Great. All right. Well, John, thanks a lot. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right.